Hey friends, if you wish to enable go back button after 10 days in Windows, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you why I address this concern, because there are a lot of videos online which says that it is possible. I say it is not possible. So here's the thing. You can try searching for this. There's something that you can still try. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Now I have a command for you, a kind of a DISM command. We will try running it and hit enter. So it says element not found, error 1168. If this is what it says, then you will not be able to go back. But if by chance the log file still exists, then you will be able to revert. So what can you do in case you're not able to revert? Well, the only option you have is a clean install, and you can contact a hardware technician for this. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.